Solid Edge 3D Publishing speeds the process of creating compelling and engaging technical documentation, such as installation, maintenance, and instruction manuals, which are essential to business success and product performance. Let's dive into the creation of this document for our Yanu AI bartender. With a fresh, updated user interface, with improved performance and a modernized look and feel, creating documents with Solid Edge Technical Publications is a breeze. A New Pages tab allows for easier navigation of documents. With a thumbnail image available for each page, users can now navigate their document by clicking the thumbnail to go directly to that page. Also new is the ability to assign rich text to metadata and illustrations. Here, text can be fully customized to fit your needs. Animations play an important part in conveying different messages and features in documents, whether marketing or instructional. Here, a new transition editor makes it easier to create custom transitions with user-defined timing for camera movement, part reveal, and other animation features. There are also two new animation types, flash and fade. Here, a flash animation is being used to highlight the LCD screen, and then a fade animation slowly hides the screen in order to focus on the robot arm in its animation. Also new is the ability to use simplified parts and assemblies, family of parts, and family of assemblies. For the Yanu instruction manual, we'd like to hide some key details on some of the parts in order to protect our intellectual property. To do this, we can easily replace the detailed parts with their simplified representations. This is achieved with the update command. Solid Edge 3D Publishing then takes care of replacing them in our model, all achieved quickly and easily without having to recreate the document from scratch. Users can now define multiple master pages to help with document creation. This provides more versatility in larger documents. Shapes can act as fully actionable items in Solid Edge Technical Publications. Users can customize them for various purposes such as switching illustrations, customizing views, or even directing to web pages. In this page, we can use the buttons to switch between different colors of the Yanu AI bartender. Documentation can be published to all the latest industry standard file types, including 3D PDF, HTML5, raster, and vector images. Here's the completed instruction manual in HTML format. End users can access this information without any additional software, as it will open in any web browser. With Solid Edge Technical Publications, creating technical documents and interactive manuals has never been easier.